Good morning, children. Today we are going to study land use part 3. And in this land use, today we are going to study page number 37, the pie chart. Now, when you look at the page number 37, you will observe a color figure. And there are two different countries in that. One is of Japan and other is of India. Now here it is telling about different colors. Now when you see the red color in the pie chart is the residential area, blue commercial area, yellow agriculture and green forest area. Now below that you will observe there are few questions in that. Now first question it says, in which country is the land under forest more? Now looking at the Japan area, you will say the Japan percentage of land forest is more. Now the second question is say, in which country is the land under forest more? Now in India the percentage of land under agriculture is more. After that the third question it goes, now correlate you have to compare how their land use and development. So when you see both the land use provide a common produce, and that is organic produce, hence the land is aggressively every year as per need of the population. What is the physiography and the climate of India and Japan with the respective land use? Now you know that India is already an agricultural land country, and this shows physiography mainly comprises of plains with fertile soil, and the Indian climate is suitable for agriculture. Now for the Japan is the major part is the forest land, and this shows that the Japan is a mountainous region. The climate is suitable for preserving the forest area. Now the fifth question is says, which land use is found in Japan? Forest land is found in Japan. Now here you have got these questions. You will write it, draw the diagram, color it, and write it in your geography copy about the pie chart. Now further, when you go to page number 37 only, you will find there is 7 by 12 extract. Now what does this 7 by 12 extract mean? It means that the utilization of our land and how it is registered. How come we know that our property belongs to us? Now in this, the land 7 by 12 is registered by the revenue department. And what we can do by sitting at home, we can get the 7 by 12 extract from the revenue department, and we can see everything what we want in that. The land belongs to whom, who is the owner of the land, how many times the land is sold, and other things. And after that, this land complete information is given on the piece of paper or the piece of about the piece of land. Now after that, it is registered of the revenue department, records the detail of the ownership, family, status, debts and loan, and transfer of ownership under the area of different crop. Now when we go to for in the village side, they are also having agricultural land. Now their land is 7 by 12. They are prepared, they are combined, and in that the forms are available with talati. Now this is a type, like we get 7 by 12 extract. In the same way, that is a talati of every village. There is a, like revenue department, there is a talati of every village where the land and the revenue collection is purpose. Now you have to understand this, read the lesson properly, and please go through the questions.